Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to convert a video to fragmented mp4 using Muxer in Flutter Android application using the Media3 transformer APIs. So let's get started. Now the output when I will show it to you or when you try this on your end will not be very different. The reason why we convert a normal video to fragmented mp4 is, at least from what I understood, is because of streaming, and there are a lot of other advantages as well. So fragmented mp4, I think it divides a video in chunks of video, like smaller videos or smaller packets, and that can help for streaming and other wide variety of benefits. Even I'm not a pro in this, but yeah, in case if you are wanted to convert a video to fragmented mp4 using Muxer, you can use this technique. Now, like I said, the output will not be very much different from the input video. It does that internally, so we don't have to worry too much about it. But any which ways, I'm just showing you the output. Here I have one button called pick video. I'll just click on it, and here you can see I have this 15 seconds long video. So I'll just select this 15-second long video. Ignore this 0-second video. I'll tell you more about it later on. That was just for my practice. But I will select this 15 seconds long video. Now it will automatically convert it to fragmented mp4, and here you can see we can now start playing that video as well. Now the video has started playing. I don't know why, for some reason it shows 0 seconds. Okay. uh, Also, this video is saved to external storage. If the user wants it, he or she can use it whenever they feel like. So if I click on pick video again, here you can see now there are 3 videos. Now again, the first video is what we have saved. It is showing 0 seconds. I don't know why, but if you start playing it, it starts playing it perfectly fine. As you can see, I have started playing the video. Now what I have noticed is that even when I do this with native Android application, I get the same thing, 0 seconds. But in native Android application, for playing the video, I'm using something called exo player. Here inside Flutter, I'm using the video player dependency. I'm not sure if behind the scene it uses exo player or not. I think it should, but this entire pop-up which you see, like play pause button, for that we use another dependency called chibi. So maybe that somehow is not updating it. Like when I use exo player in my native Android application, it shows me the proper how long the duration of the video is, but when I open it with file explorer, I still see 0 seconds. I don't know why. Maybe this is a bug in Android OS, or maybe it's something else. Again, I'm not sure, sorry about that. But also, if you have selected a long video, I am also showing you this. So this is the actual progress which is going on. So there are two things which we are printing out. So I'll quickly show you that, then I'll explain you guys the code. There is this progress state as well as the progress holder dot progress. Now the progress holder dot progress will go from 0 to 100. So here you can see it went to 0 to 89, but sometimes it doesn't reach till 100. So you should concentrate on this progress state, because the progress state always becomes 0 once the video has finished processing. So that's the indication to you that okay, the video has finished processing. So it's better if you are displaying some progress bar. If it is a very long video, you can stop displaying the progress bar. So yeah, that's it. Now let's look at the code. Alright, now let's look at the code. So as usual, create a Flutter project. Then inside pubspec.yaml, we have to include this image picker dependency for picking video player dependency for playing the video, and chibi for playing the controls, like having those video controls which I just showed it to you. So make sure you add this 3 dependency. Then you will have to go to the main.dart file, and here you will have to import this Flutter services, image picker, video player, chibi, and make sure you add this dart async dependency as well. Rest of the code is same which we get while creating a default Flutter project. I have just refactored this my homepage widget. So it is a stateful widget which we have created over here. Then I have created this method channel called video picker platform. I mean, I could have named it better, maybe like convert video to fragmented mp4, something like that, but yeah, I think it's fine for now. Then here we create our image picker. Here is our video player controller, chibi controller, and this will be the video URL of the transformed video which we get from native Android side. Then we need to track the progress state as well. So for that we are using event channel. have named it as progress, so same name you will have to use it on native Android side as well. Then here we have created our stream subscription. Inside the init state, we first initialize our subscription, so we just do event channel dot receive broadcast stream dot listen, and here we receive the Flutter event of event. So the entire progress state as well as the progress holder dot progress, which I showed it to you earlier, will be printed over here. So yeah, you can use it however you feel like. And here we will get, in case if there is any error, then inside dispose we cancel our subscription, dispose our video controller as well as chibi controller. Then inside the build method, I have just created one column. Inside that there is one text button, and on click of it we first do picker.pick video from gallery. Once the user has picked a video, we invoke a method like convert to fragmented video and pass the path of the selected video. Then once we get the result over here, before that we just initialize our video controller, add listener to it, set looping as true, we initialize it, then we create a chibi controller as well, and then set the state like to whatever to our video URL variable. Then if the video URL is not equal to empty, then only we display this container with an aspect ratio, and here we show our chibi, which will display the video player as well. So yeah, that's it on the Dart side. Then you have to go to the Android folder, go to build.gradle, not this one, sorry, app build.gradle. Just scroll down, and here you will have to add this dependency block. So firstly you will have to add this Media3 common dependency, at least version 1.5.1, then the Media3 transformer dependency 1.5.1, and the Media3 Muxer dependency 1.5.1. then go to src, go to main, go to Kotlin, go to main activity.kt, and firstly you will have to add all these imports which are present by which we need to add for making use it inside our app. So make sure you just copy paste all these imports. Then we have to annotate this with unstable, because at the time of me recording this Media3 transformer APIs are still bit unstable. That's why, even though we are not writing any beta or alpha version inside our dependency gradle, it's like a weird quirk of Android development. That's why we have to use this unstable API as well. Then we extend transformer.listener. So with the help of this, we override two methods, on completed and on error, which I will show you later on. And then here we create our file name as well as file path. This handler and progress holder are for tracking the state. This is our event channel as well as attach event, and this is the method channel result. Here we override this particular configure Flutter engine method. Here we listen for the event stream, which we will, like, we need to initialize it first, right? So this is basically boilerplate code which we have to write. So yeah, you can just copy paste it. Then here we create a method channel with the same name of video picker platform which we have defined it on the Dart side. Then here we do set method call handler, then assign the result to our method channel. Then when call dot method, once this method is called, we first get the path of the video. Then we do in-app muxer dot factory dot builder set output fragmented mp4 h2. You can also set the duration of how much your fragmented chunks of the video should be, but I have commented it out. If you want to uncomment it, you can do that, but it's better let the dependency do it for ourselves, like whatever it feels is the right amount, let it do it, that we don't have to do it. And then we just build it. Then we just do transformer dot builder set muxer factory, pass our muxer factory to it. Then we create an input media item. Then we create an edited media item. Then we create an external file. Then we start the media item, and here handler dot post, we are basically tracking the progress state. So here you can see, once we get it, with the help of the attach event dot success, we are sending the progress state as well as the actual progress back to Flutter side. And here we have just added a delay of 500 milliseconds. If you want, you can lower down this value, but personally I won't do it because it would be too much load on the OS just to track progress state if you have an extremely large video. Okay, then here we create this create external file. Again, we need to save the file first somewhere before we save it to external storage. That's why we do this particular bit of thing. Again, I have copy pasted this code. Then this is the code for saving the file to external storage. So yeah, you can just basically copy paste this particular bit of code. So I'll simply scroll through this. Feel free to pause the video and just copy paste it. Okay, then here we override this on completed callback. So once it has finished transforming, we save the video to external storage and save the send the URI of that particular video back to Flutter side, and in case of error we just display a toast message to the user. Okay, in case if you want, you can send the error message back as well to Flutter side. But yeah, that should be it. Again, I'll simply scroll through this file. Feel free to pause the video wherever you feel like and just copy the code. Okay, so yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.